I'll show you how to animate text in CapCut on your phone. It's easy and quick, as you can see here. Let's dive in and get started carefully. It's done easily and quickly. Open CapCut, add a video or photo, and let's proceed carefully. Choose a photo for text animation, as you can see here. Next, let's proceed to the text step. Simply tap here on text, add any text you need, as you can see here, and let's move on to the next step. Write your word, name, or anything else, and once you've added the text, you need to proceed to the next step, as you can see. Select animation from the section here, as you can see, and then simply tap on it carefully. Choose Start or End Animations here, as you can see, and apply them carefully for a smooth effect. For example, you can add a video, and it will appear just like this, as shown. For example, all video text will move like this, as you can see, so we place it here for a smooth flow. Add Start animation like this, then End animation is showed here, and you're all set. Let's see what we've created. Press OK, and the animation disappears smoothly, as you can see here, and that's it. Here's the animation we created. Thank you all for watching. Good luck, and see you next time with more tips. Goodbye everyone, and take care.